Hey guys, so today we will discuss about the common name of some chemical compounds. Silicon oxide, sand, deuterium oxide, heavy water, sucrose, sugar, ethyl alcohol, you can simply say alcohol. Borax is called as only borax. Trichloromethane, chloroform. Nitrous oxide, laughing gas. Magnesium oxide, magnesia. Sodium carbonate, washing soda. And sodium bicarbonate, baking powder. Acetic acid, vinegar, methane, marsh gas, zinc sulfate, it's white vitriol, copper sulfate, it's blue vitriol, ferrous sulfate, green vitriol, calcium sulfate, gypsum. And we can also say calcium sulfate, plaster of Paris. The only difference between the bottom amount of the water, calcium oxide, quicklime, magnesium sulfate, gypsum, potassium aluminium sulfate, it's potash alum, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder, and the last one is solid carbon dioxide. It's a dry ice.